Oh, Jim, that is beautiful. Oh my gosh, that is great. And then there's another one here that's not as great, but it's still pretty cool.
I see it.
So many beautiful rocks. That's a nice thing to find on my way out. Well, if you've been watching for a while, you know that we've had kind of some bad luck with boat motors. And so we finally decided to bite the bullet and actually buy a new motor. It just about killed me because it was, you know, more than I wanted to pay. But I think if we're going to be out on the river, we need to have something that's going to be dependable. So we're going to take it out. Our first test. Let's see how we do. This area was completely underwater just less than a month ago. You can see how the river has dropped and dropped and dropped and dropped, but it still left quite a lot of silt here at the boat access. So that should be interesting. Kava doesn't care. The river is still pretty high, but you can see it ate away the bank there when it was 7 feet higher. Pretty crazy. New rocks is what we're looking for, only I don't get to get them today apparently because we're breaking the motor in. Check out those pelicans! We spotted these cows standing in the river because they're hot. Now Kava has spotted them too, which is not such a good thing. Let's get her back here. Kava, come here. Come over here. Come here. Look at that one red cow. I'm staying. You guys can get off if you want to, but I'm staying. There's somebody else here that's trying to get the agates. Look at them go. You can have those ones, guys. I'll get the next ones. Look at that tangle of wood on that beach. So we have to do this like slowing and going faster and slowing and going faster for an hour before we can land it anywhere and do any kind of hunting. And so I've been keeping track very closely on my watch, and we have 14 minutes left, ladies and gentlemen, and then we'll get to land somewhere and look for some rocks. Yeah, it's probably not great yet, but it's a good place to go. It's like an island. Ah, the scenery is so beautiful. And look at the clouds. What a perfect day. If you're enjoying this video, please share and click the subscribe button. Well, we have 1 minute left until we can stop the boat and hunt for rocks, and we just found this island that is going to be absolutely perfect. It looks like the rocks are clean, it's far away from pretty much everything, and we've been just waiting for this moment. So the time has come.
Success! We have landed the boat.
And we are on our first hunt of the new season. I am so excited. I can't wait to find my first agate. Look at that tangle of wood. There's a boat coming. Coming fast. I wonder if they've been out. Maybe they scoured this gravel bar and now it's empty. Here's a very nice piece of agatized wood. Oh, look at the grain in that. I'm gonna wash that one off. Look at that grain. Very cool. Well, this isn't a very good agate, but it is the first agate of the day, and therefore must be picked up. And here, right next to it, is another. Oh, that's not what I thought it was. Wow, that is really interesting. One thing that we did not remember is bug spray. And it is really disgusting. Lots and lots of mosquitoes here. We both got the first agates of the day. Hooray!
Yay!
Oh, Jim, that is beautiful. Oh my gosh, that is great. And then there's another one here that's not as great, but it's still pretty cool.
I see it. I can't get there it is.
Yeah, it's not nearly as great as yours though. That's a nice one.
Ah.
I found this nice little water line as we were walking along. Oh my gosh, the bugs are just the worst. Oh, mosquitoes, ick. Yeah, I don't think this is probably... Oh, maybe? No, it's a milk agate. That's too bad. Milk agates are like agates, but they're just not quite clear, and they are not as desirable. You can cut them, and they're fairly plentiful on the Yellowstone, and they're pretty, but if you're looking for agates or petrified wood, you can put that in your pocket maybe. Oh, I have that bag. We should maybe get that. Just another little one. It's got some inclusions in it though. It's nice. Ooh-hoo-hoo-hoo. Bugs, 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 bugs. Well, you know, Jim found that really nice one, so now I gotta find one so I can be even. Besides, you know, I gotta find an agate on my first hunt, not just those cheesy little ones. Right, Jim?
I never knew KatyDid was so competitive.
Oh, yes, you did. Oh, that's kind of a cool. There's fortifications in it. That's neat. What'd you find? Oh, nice one. Oh, look at the water line in that one. Those are beautiful. And then look at the fortifications in this one.
Is that an agate?
Yeah,
Ooh.
it's a different kind of agate.
Oh.
It's called a treasure state agate. Oh.
I'm trying there.
Oh, look at the pretty, pretty colors in that. Look at that.
Oh,
There's
that's
red,
amazing.
yellow.
Agatized wood?
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
That's beautiful.
That is really a nice find. Always a little tough on the very first time when the river drops, because I haven't been hunting agates for months, and so my eyes are not quite acclimated yet. I think that's my excuse, but I'm gonna find something or we'll get
Jasper, is it?
eaten by mosquitoes. Yep, that's a jasper. Probably not one that we're gonna keep unless you want it.
Not a keeper, huh?
Yeah, it's just kind of too many bleh. Wow, check this one out. It's a petrified wood, Jim, but it's like a burl. It's really cool. Check it out.
I'm coming. It's hard to get anywhere in a hurry when you're staring at the ground. Ooh, look at that. Wow.
Isn't that neat?
That is cool.
Oh, that is just beautiful. Well, we are getting desanguinated by these mosquitoes, and they're really, really terrible. So I may have to just swallow my pride and be glad that he found such a cool agate and go back. Or I could find this one.
You found a treasure stain.
I found a treasure stain agate. I found another agate too just now. Oh, you've got the squirt bottle here. Let's have you squirt it.
That's an agate.
That's an agate.
That's a pretty
That's
agate.
a nice one. Okay, all right, that's good enough. We don't want to have any more bugs in our stream.
Petrified wood. Let's get out of here.
Let's get out of here. And next time we'll remember bugs.
Ooh, another agate.
Oh, that's a pretty one. Still not as pretty as yours,
Speckles.
but it's got a lot of cool inclusions in there. Kind of muddy. See, all we had to do is say we're going to leave, and then the island starts giving up its treasures. This one was sticking up like this, and I could hardly get it out of the ground, and I'm like, what is going on here? And it's because it was just a little bigger than I thought. Wasn't the main plan, was to hunt.
Yes.
Oh, you know what that is?
No.
That is, oh shoot, I used to know the name of it. It's some kind of basalt, but it's got like all this cool stuff in it. Keep it.
Yeah.
Well, I am one big itch. I believe Mr. Did is as well. That was a little unpleasant. Do not forget bug spray. We found some nice things though. And the real goal was to test out this engine. And so far so good. It better be. Kava is a sailor dog. This boat is a little faster than our last motor. Well, the last time we were here, we were paddling for our lives because the motor had stopped working. And now we're going in under our own power. Good job, motor. Well, we still had a little trouble getting the boat onto the trailer, and I still had to get wet. But overall, that was a very successful trip. I am really excited about the new motor. Kim from Montana Rock Mom, we have a motor that works. Now we can give you that boat ride we promised you a year ago. This is Kate from KatyDid. Keep on doing. If you want to share in these treasures, check out my Etsy store, KatyDid Rocks. The link is in the description below.